Hi, my name is Divya, and I was a 2013 Software Engineering Co-op Scholar. I now work for Atlassian, the Australian teamwork software company, out of their Bay Area office as an engineer on the Search and Smarts team. So a little bit about how I chose to get into this career. When I was in year 12, I actually still didn't know what I wanted to do in university. I knew that I liked maths and that I liked problem solving and that I hated writing essays. So I talked to my dad, who's an IT professional, and he explained to me that a lot of what's at the core of software engineering is actually just problem solving. I was still a bit daunted by the prospect because I'd never programmed in my life and I didn't really know anything about computers. But after learning about the co-op program and how I'd be able to learn those skills at the same time as applying them in the real world, I got a lot more excited about the idea. In my final year of university, I started getting more interested in machine learning and data science, which are like the two big buzzwords in the tech community at the moment. And that's what got me into the Search and Smarts team at Atlassian. So what does the Search and Smarts team actually do? Our main goal is to try and improve the customer experiences in our products by using things like machine learning and other smart pieces of data. One of the things that we really focus on is search. So that's getting our customers what they're looking for as quickly and as easily as possible. In my role on a day-to-day, I will be working on designing and implementing these features to try and improve things like speed, so how fast a user can get to what they're looking for, as well as integrating with models to boost results that the user is particularly interested in to the top of their search results. We don't work in silos at Atlassian, and it's the same across most of the tech industry, so I'll also be working with my team on a lot of this. We'll pair on different tasks, I'll help them with their tasks, they'll help me with mine, and we'll work together on things like bug fixes. We also participate in rituals such as demos, so presenting what we're doing to each other, as well as brainstorming sessions so we can figure out what exciting new things to work on next. The biggest highlight of my career thus far would have to be getting to move to Bay Area. So working for Atlassian out of Silicon Valley has been super exciting. I've got to meet a lot of really cool people working on the cutting edge of technology across lots of different companies, and the tech community there is really solid. I think that's been exciting to also meet a lot of people with different perspectives and at all different levels in technology. My biggest piece of advice to students who would be interested in getting into a software engineering career is don't be afraid if you don't already have a lot of experience or knowledge about computing. Some of the best engineers that I've worked with are those that have strengths more in the lines of communication and problem solving and the drive to get to the solution for a problem. I think if you have those urges and that sort of drive, then the technological experience will come as you study.